Loves Park homeowners value comfort, convenience, and beautiful living spaces, inside and out. With the city's inviting neighborhoods, scenic backyards, and pleasant seasonal weather, having a home that seamlessly connects indoor living with outdoor relaxation is a huge advantage. One of the most effective ways to create this connection is by installing modern patio doors. These doors not only improve access to outdoor spaces but also enhance natural light, boost ventilation, and elevate your home's overall style. Here's how patio doors transform indoor-outdoor living for Loves Park residences. A seamless connection between home and backyard. Whether you enjoy grilling on the patio, relaxing in the sunshine, or hosting family gatherings, patio doors make it easier to move between indoor and outdoor areas. Their wide openings create a smooth, uninterrupted flow that enhances the usability of your patio, deck, or backyard. Homeowners benefit from easier access for everyday activities, a more open and inviting layout, a natural extension of your living or dining area, better use of outdoor entertainment spaces. This seamless transition makes your home feel larger, brighter, and more connected to the outdoors. Expansive natural light to brighten your living spaces. One of the most appealing features of patio doors is the large glass surface. This brings in abundant natural light, making your interior feel more open and vibrant throughout the day. Natural light from patio doors helps reduce the need for artificial lighting, create a warm, cheerful atmosphere, highlight architectural details and decor, make rooms feel more spacious. In Loves Park, where homeowners enjoy beautiful seasonal views, patio doors frame the outdoors like a living piece of artwork. Better ventilation for fresh, comfortable indoor air. Fresh air plays an important role in maintaining a healthy and comfortable living environment. Patio doors, especially sliding or French-style doors, can be easily opened to let in cool breezes and circulate indoor air. Improved ventilation offers relief from stuffy indoor air, natural cooling during mild seasons, reduced reliance on air conditioning, better overall indoor air quality during spring and fall. In Loves Park, simply opening your patio doors can keep your home feeling fresh and pleasant. Enhanced views and greater connection to nature. Many Loves Park homes feature beautiful landscapes, flower gardens, tree-lined yards, kids' play areas, or serene patios. Patio doors offer wide, unobstructed views, allowing you to enjoy these outdoor scenes even while indoors. This visual connection helps create a peaceful, relaxing ambiance to make small rooms feel larger and more open. Bring nature's beauty into your daily routine. Encourage more time spent outdoors. Whether it's watching the kids play or admiring a sunset, patio doors enhance your enjoyment of your outdoor surroundings. Stylish upgrade that enhances home aesthetics. Patio doors are not just functional, they're stylish architectural features. Available in a variety of designs, materials, and finishes, they can complement any Loves Park home, from traditional to contemporary. Popular options include sliding patio doors for modern, space-saving convenience, French doors for classic charm and elegance, multi-panel or folding doors for a dramatic, open feel. Each style brings its own personality, boosting curb appeal and adding sophistication to your home's interior. Adds value and appeal for future buyers. Indoor-outdoor living is one of the most desirable home features in today's market. Installing high-quality patio doors is an investment that pays off, whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to increase your home's long-term value. Patio doors contribute to higher perceived home value, increased energy efficiency, with insulated glass options, better functionality and living comfort. Stronger appeal in real estate listings. Buyers appreciate homes that offer bright, flexible, and well-designed living spaces. Qualities patio doors deliver effortlessly. A smart upgrade for modern Loves Park living. Patio doors are far more than just entryways, they're lifestyle upgrades. They brighten your home, improve airflow, enhance comfort, and create a seamless indoor-outdoor experience that today's Loves Park homeowners love. Whether you're renovating or building new, the right patio doors can transform your home into a more open, welcoming, and enjoyable living space. If you're ready to elevate your indoor-outdoor living, patio doors are a stylish and functional addition that brings lasting benefits to your Loves Park home.